Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. So in today's video, I am going to give you some context on why we are seeing the price of Bitcoin to continue to rise and continue to make new all-time highs. I will then go on to let you know what I am currently doing within the market and what I'm expecting next for Bitcoin. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So if you are a regular watcher of this channel, you will know that for the past however many months, however many weeks, okay, I have been very bullish on the price of Bitcoin, and I have been looking for higher prices, and I've been telling you guys here, and I've been telling the team over on the Visionary Discord that I am expecting new all-time highs, and we have seen that exact scenario play out. We've seen continuous higher highs within the price of Bitcoin, creating continuous all-time highs. Now we have taken the odd short here and there, i.e. shorting the all-time high. We remember that we shorted this high right here. We also shorted this high right here. Now both of those trades in themselves were very profitable short positions. However, we have to remember, we are in a bull market. We are looking very bullish. So I have been taking long positions as well, and I have been fully capitalizing on these long positions as well. As of right now, okay, I've just realized Bitcoin is actually pulling back. So before we get on into what I really want to talk about in today's video, let me just, here we go. We are seeing a pullback within the price of Bitcoin. Sorry, I am currently in a trade, so I do just have to be wary. We are so close to that TP. I am currently in a short, and I'm looking to take a TP. And of course, I need to update the team as well. Okay, there we go. Let's just update the team really quickly on this one here. Sorry about that. I don't mean to... Let's just update the team on this one quickly. We are seeing the price of Bitcoin as of right now pull back. So this is why I have been in a very nice short position. And for some reason, my phone has turned from dark mode to light mode. Right, let's just put in this for the team here. TP1 target acquired. Let's put a nice target. There we go. Sorry, just had to update the team there. Okay, so we have seen a pullback. Okay, TP1. I've just taken a TP1 as well on my phone. But let's move on. That's not what we are focusing on at this moment in time. Okay, we want to look at the context within Bitcoin. Okay. As we can see, making continuous higher highs within Bitcoin, higher lows, and of course higher highs as well. We are looking very bullish as of right now, and we can actually go deeper into the candles and we can actually see why I have been so bullish. So if we first of all take a look at the Visionary Discord, we can see, I'm updating the team here. The reason I am bullish on Bitcoin is because we are seeing aggressive shorting, but the price is continuing to make higher lows, telling us that there are bigger players that are absorbing the short positions. Okay, so I was updating the team yesterday here. I'm explaining to them that I'm very bullish on the price of Bitcoin. Okay, because we are seeing these mass shorts being absorbed by bigger players, and we can come and have a look at the order flow, and we can actually analyze this and very clearly see what is going on and where price is being absorbed. So if we have a look at this here, okay, we have a nice low here at around $66,000, and then we have a nice higher low here at around $67,000. Now what we can see is on the CVD here, we can see aggressive shorting whilst the price is making these higher highs. Now aggressive shorting, okay, means of course many people are opening up short positions. Okay, there are an absurd amount of people opening up short positions, and when you see absurd amount of short positions opening, you would expect to see lower lows on the price of Bitcoin. Okay, you would expect to see lower lows. However, we are observing that Bitcoin has been forming higher lows. Okay, we have higher lows right here. We can actually zoom in even further as well and see that we are getting a lot of shorts coming in here. We can see minus 5.5, minus 2.8, minus 2.4, minus 7.3, minus 6.3, minus 22 million. Okay, so we are getting pretty aggressive shorting at this level right here. But if we come and have a look at the higher low here, we can see that we are seeing even more aggressive shorting. We can see minus 10 million, minus 9.4, minus 12, minus 6.6, minus 14, and then minus 48 million shorts in this candle alone. Minus 48 million shorts in this candle alone. However, price is forming higher lows. This is very, very bullish. This is why we have seen a rise towards the upside. And of course, I told this to the team on the Visionary Discord. I said, price is looking very, very bullish because we're seeing aggressive shorting. However, the price is continuing to make higher lows. And we can actually go back even further and we can see the exact same scenario has played out in this. Let's just have a look here. In this scenario right here, okay, in this scenario. So if we have a look at this local low here, okay, so this local low here to this low right here, what is price doing? Price is forming higher lows, very obvious higher lows. However, we can see aggressive shorting, very aggressive shorting. We can see the CVD is telling us that there is aggressive shorting. So the CVD is making those lower lows whilst price is making, or price action is making those higher lows, which is very, very bullish. If we zoom in right here, we can see aggressive shorting. Minus 58 million, minus 90 million, minus 71 million. Aggressive shorting is occurring here. Aggressive, very aggressive shorting. But price is continuing to make these higher lows, which is very, very bullish. And this is why we saw after we saw this aggressive shorting, we saw a big rise towards the upside. A big rise. And we've seen the exact same scenario right here. Aggressive shorting coming in here. However, there is a big player absorbing all of the shorts with a limit order, okay, a limit buy, and we have seen a big rise towards the upside, of course, making new all-time highs as of today. So Bitcoin has looked very, very bullish, and this is why I have been so bullish on the price of Bitcoin for, however many months, however many weeks. I can't count, but I've been very bullish for a very, very long time. And these are the reasons why I have been so bullish on the price of Bitcoin. Now, if we have a look at what is going on now, let's come over to the price action chart, trading view, and actually have a look at what is going on at this moment. We've talked about what has happened generally, okay, what is going on like in a broader scale. We have aggressive shorting, but those aggressive shorts are being absorbed by a bigger player, much bigger players. They are absorbing all of that selling pressure. Now, let's zoom in to see what is going on. Because that means, of course, that Bitcoin is looking very, very bullish. Now, what are we observing right here? Well, we're observing a parallel channel, as we can very, very clearly see here. And we are seeing consolidation towards the upside. Now, this is getting slightly bearish. Consolidation towards the upside, getting slightly bearish. I've established this. This is why I've currently entered into a short position. Like I said, I've just literally updated the team on the Visionary Discord in this video for you. As you can see here, this was the scalp short setup that I gave the team right here. Here was the scalp short, TP1 target acquired. There we go. As you can see, on this video, I've taken that TP1. As you can see, what was that? A 47% move. So a really small move, but a really, really profitable move in itself. Taken TP1, and yeah, I'm gonna let the rest of the trade ride, to be honest, because as I said, this is bearish. We have to start looking at these signs and thinking, are we going to see a bigger pullback? Because as we can see here, quick move towards the upside. We're seeing consolidation towards the upside, which tends to be bearish. If we do get a break towards the downside of this parallel channel right here, this range, then we could expect a bigger move towards the downside. We could expect a bigger move taking out this price action here, okay, this quick move towards the upside here. Now, we have to remember, this can happen very, very quickly. Why is that? Because everybody that longed, okay, has been longing on the way up here. Everyone that's been longing on the way up have their stop losses at these lows here. Once those stop losses get triggered, okay, what happens? Okay, if their stop losses get triggered, then we're going to see a big move towards the downside. Why are we going to see a big move towards the downside? Okay, because we see a cascade of these stop losses being hit, which means, okay, that people have to sell, okay, because they're long, okay, on the price of Bitcoin. What do they have to do with these long positions? They have to sell, okay. Those stop losses mean that they are selling into the market, which is going to just continue to push that price down. So for me right now, I am on the verge of being bearish. But, of course, this is just on the 5-minute time frame. We have to remember that. If we zoom out onto the 1 hour, very bullish, very bullish. Zoom into the 5-minute, bearish, okay? But this is 5-minute. Where are we going to go down to? Okay, $68,000. Where from there we could probably see another rise towards the upside and probably make new all-time highs. So it's nothing to worry about. This is just me being an idiot and day trading. But that's what I do full time. That's what I enjoy. That's how I make a living. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do it. As much hate as I'm going to get for shorting all-time highs, I've done it the past 3 times and I've been very profitable doing so. So, you know, there's the proof. The proof is in the pudding there, okay? Now, if you want access to the Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, link is in the pinned comment. Let's just show you here. Link is in the pinned comment. This link right here and this link in the description as well. If you come over, you can actually get access to a free trial that we are running for. I'm not sure how long I'm going to do it for, but I'm not going to do it for very long. Make sure you get yourself on that Visionary Discord. Just try the free trial, 1 day free access. Try it out. I'm sure it will give you some great value. Now, of course, there's not trades every single day, so you have to be aware of that, but just scroll through and just have a look at the previous trades that I've been taking because they've been so profitable. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you're not subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Check out this video here, best day trading and swing trading strategy. I do use this sometimes as well on a day-to-day basis when I'm looking to day trade. So yeah, check this out, subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and that's me signing off. Goodbye.